There are some signs you can inspect permeable pavement systems for to evaluate the health of the system and whether or not it is or will soon be in need of maintenance. After significant rainfall, check the observation well for 3 consecutive days. If you still see standing water after those 3 days, that is a clear sign that there is a clogging issue in the system. Check the surface of the system for sediment deposition or other debris, and for staining or ponding that may indicate surface clogging. You can pour water onto the surface to test if the infiltration is working as it should be. Also, assess the structural integrity of the surface, looking for signs of deterioration such as slumping, cracking, spalling, or broken pavers. Inspect inlets, pretreatment cells, and any flow diversion structures for sediment buildup and structural damage. Also, check the condition of the observation well and ensure it is still capped off. Periodically examine the contributing drainage area for sediment buildup and erosion. If you observe any issues with your permeable pavement system, consider contacting stormwater professionals to conduct maintenance and to ensure that your system remains healthy and efficient for years to come. Permeable pavement is a great way to ensure that our waters stay clean and safe.